Si Tom, pupunta kasi sila sa gym. Ayan. Hahatid siya ng kapatid ko sa gym. Diyan lang sa Mactanutang. Malapit lang. Yun guys. Pupunta sila sa gym. Mag-i-exercise si Tom.
Emma, these are new brushes. Put them in here. We have one here and one here, so you have two in there already. So this is just extra when those wear out.
Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera. Say hi guys. Camera.
Well, thank you.
Camera. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy it. You like that Irish Spring? You like that?
Yeah, it's
How many more bars you got? You got a bunch of bars.
Original.
yeah.
Original.
I already put spring.
Lower the spring.
That's good.
Yeah. Masarap. Yummy.
That's good.
Paano ka? Sweet.
Very sweet. Ooh.
Oh. So guys, ito yung t-shirt namin. Nag-reunion kasi yung high school batch namin. High school, not high school. Elementary. Yan, maganda. I graduated 1999. Yeah? Nice chance. Nice. 1999. Wow, yes. Maganda yung t-shirt, maganda yung tela. Susuotin ko to. Yeah. Kasi nag-reunion sila, kahapon lang din. Pero, nandito kasi ako sa Cebu. So, hindi ako umattend. So guys, alis kami ngayon. Pupunta kami sa SM Seaside. Mag-shopping. Oh yeah, lipstick. Mag-shopping kami ng mga gagamitin namin dito sa kwarto namin na wala na kailangan na. Yes, lipstick. Look. Yeah. May mga kasi si Tom naglista siya ng mga bibilhin. Chance, did you eat pancake? How's our kitten? Where is he? Huh? Yeah, kitten. Oh, hello kitten. Oh. Balin, liguan natin mamaya. Liguan mo mamaya para matanggal yung
Let's go, buddy. You ready?
may please. Tingnan natin yung dito guys, nagpapanday.
Whoa!
Wow, malapit na.
Here's Mike. Mike.
Patapos na guys.
All right, let's go, Mike.
Tapos dito guys, dyan, magbubutas kami para makadaan kami papunta doon. Kasi gagawin kasi namin pansamantalang garden and then playing area for Rusty. Ayan. So, dumating, may in-order kasi si Tom na pang-exercise.
Yeah.
Yeah, your thing here.
My thing is here.
Your thing is here. So guys, gustong-gusto ko yung sofa cover. Maganda siya. Kaso itong kasi itong sofa ano siya, parang malaki. Hindi siya yung normal talaga na size ng mga sofa. Kaya hindi siya nagkasya dito. Parang, parang hindi namin maipasok. Pero okay lang din naman kasi stretchable siya. Maganda siya. Gustong gusto ko yung, yung tela. And then, yung good quality talaga siya. Oh. Are you gonna unbox it now or later?
Oh, yeah, later.
Yeah. Alright. Pag-book na ng Grab. She's gonna book the Grab. Ma, padlock na. Nakalock na? Grab.
Mas bumarato yan na. It one na lang.
Oh, sige. Ito na ang aming rides. Nag-Grab lang kami, guys. Hindi Grab. Maxim. Mas mura yung Maxim, guys.
Halika na, Chance!
Let's go, Chance.
Chance, halika!
Alright, we're on our way.
Bye-bye, Cha. Bye-bye, Rusty.
Bye, Rusty. Get a little bit, buddy. Take care of Mike.
Do you wanna sit in the front, Tom?
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, you do because you're big. Oo. Bye-bye, Rusty. Tom will go to the front.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, I can sit up there.
It's okay. Legs. More leg room.
Yeah, it's yun.
O, Balen, ikaw, Anay.
Okay, remember this hat? No. You got it for me? We're down there.
Yeah, in the...
Oh, that's... Sito mo sa print na lang. Upo ka dyan. Pwede nga ni Didi tatlo. Pero maliit man siya chance.
How you doing?
Sir. Good, sir.
Hi, Chance.
Karpugagi, di naman.
Waray ka ba, Chance?
Dito.
How? Diyan?
Dito yung bag niya.
Nice car.
Yeah. Nice car. Ooh. Nice car,
nice
ba,
car.
Chance?
Oh, nice
Car is
car.
nicer than
No. You haven't seen my car. It's an old piece of junk. But it goes from here to there. That's all I want. You gotta pick people up. I don't.
Tama naman. Ano? Tingin kita. Tara. Chance! Hawak kay Lola. Very good.
We didn't come in this way, did we?
No. Wow, look at that. Wonderland. Let's go first to the bank. Ground floor ini Balen. Ground floor daw yung bank eh. Wow. It's a chance. There's not a lot of people here. Dito na lang. Yeah, Chansay. Oh, 13?
13 plus 15. Wali na. Mainit. Hot.
What's that, squid?
Yeah.
Plain rice.
Yes. Ah, dito na lang. Thank you. Pansit, pinakbit, and sisig, grilled sisig. Ito. Ha? That's beef. Beef sisig.
Sabi mo, kaya tawa ko din, nag-burger, di ba? Kung kita may duri kita, hindi mo sangkay, ati. Ilan to? Ay mo sangkay? Nagabirawan?
Oh, akin nila?
Oo. Nakabidyo pa, lagi kita ngayon ang tanga, ang burger na nung kinito ko yung tugto ko.
Para sa doktora?
Ano niya? Pwede na nabot na. Dali mo ba ganda bakto ang nawalan?
Vegetables with different things.
Dili.
Ama, gusto ng sakto.
Chance, look! Amo na lang pala kumaw kanina bisanan eh. Chance, look!
Wow, may isa. Pinakot ko.
Lima. Salon. Chance, say hi.
Hi.
Flying kiss. Wow.
Oh, Debra.
Lungan na lang ta. Pag-pay na lang menu.
It's okay ni... Kung ano masat ko pa...
No, it's not okay for me.
It's okay for me.
No, not for me.
It's for me.
Ah.
What is this? Papa Six.
Dance sana, dance. Dance. Ano ni hair oil mo? Hair mo?
Ha?
Hair oil.
Kung sa man tayo?
Kuan ka na.
Need protectant? Much better siya. Wet sa siya bang, I dump hair siya anyway after.
Chance.
Before you see,
Oh no.
plan siya.
Di ba, ligo sila mama, maligo. Pwede rin. Kuhan oil siya, ma'am.
Pero ang maganda sa kanya, ma'am, is oil siya, pero serum type po kami.
Oo, dali na
Hindi
siya
po siya yung,
naka-absorb.
kumbaga, hindi siya yung malakit na oil.
Oh, yo.
Ma'am, hindi mo pa
Nakariban
nag
na.
ma'am, ha? Para dito. Oh, like,
Ano?
Chance, oh, tingnan mo buhok mo. Straight na.
bagala nagpa-ribbon chance.
Madali lang kasi mag-straight yung buhok ko.
Hindi sa kakuan.
Sana all.
Ma'am, ito yung ano, ma'am, yan.
Yeah, down shopping. Chance! Hi, Chance! Hi! Oh, tingin, Chance, tingin. Hi! Huh? Chance, oh, tingin. Oh, watch out! Chance, hindi man tumitingin. Did you notice my hair?
Great. Yeah, well, yeah, I do notice it now.
Yeah.
Chance, your
Oh, your money. Yeah, guys, I have my hair straight.
You got it sprayed?
No, just the hair straightener.
Oh, really? Already? Worked that fast? Whoa.
Rani na? Balen? Nag-book kami ng Maxim. Oh, just sit. Our ride is not here yet. Do you wanna sit for a while?
Everybody's up here.
Waiting kami guys sa aming Grab ride. Ganda ng tree. Oo. Chance.
Tingin ka, lolo. Tingin ka, lolo.
O pagka nagawa ito, malakas ito.
Lola.
Tingin ka.
Uy, aw,
Hi.
hello.
Sige, hi. Hi.
Gwapo. Gwapo.
Pugi, ano yung pugi?
Wala.
Rides.
Right.
Rides.
Hindi pa nag-function.
Di ba?
Sweater.
Rides. Gusto mo ng rides?
Ayan.
Wow.
Right rin.
Kaluwag yung SMC side.
Daming rights.
Yes.
Taas mo pala. Para po kayo sa
Rusty! Ato kang balin.
Oops.
Lucky.
Para mag-awa Rusty.
Saram.
Thank you.
You got it, buddy?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh! Wala. Ah,
You're so excited, aren't you, Russ? Yes, you are.
okay. Ala. Oh, you're kissing.
He's like one of those motorcycle drivers.
Oh. Excited, Rusty.
Like that little shroom thing.
Oh, so cute.
Bakit po yun na?
Kako cute. Ha? Bakit? Bakit? Karga? Mabigat ka dyan si
What do you think?
Okay. Baka mahulog ka. Yeah.
Drinking a little bit.
Hi. Hi. Hi guys. Say hi guys. Hello. Ang view namin. Nagiringkatan akong
More
forehead.
on my fingers and in your
Yeah.
little mouth.
Hey.
Hmm. Oh,
Mhm.
so cute.
Look at that.
You hit a nut there, buddy?
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, this is what is that called?
Milk.
That milk?
Kitten.
Milk goat.
Goat milk.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. I think I got more on me than she thinks.
Look at
She don't want to eat. She not. She wants that. She wants that mama nipple. That's what she wants, but she ain't gonna get it.
She likes
Mama.
it there in your underarm.
She likes it that's warm. She likes to suck on the shirt.
Yes.
Name. Who's that?
Oh, it's Mike.
Mikey.
Kalat eh.
God.
She stopped crying.
Look at that.
Oh.
She stopped crying.
Look at
Why do you think?
Cat or dog? Rasta or Mike?
God.
Ala ka wala sa Rusty. Anong ligo ka?
Look great.
Yeah, such a nice night. Ang ganda ng araw, hindi mainit. Diba? Hindi mainit. Aha.
Look.
Dog?
Sino yan?
Dog? Doggy? Doggy? Anong pangalan ng doggy?
Sino ng pandan?
Pandan?
It's gonna wear off. It's gonna be like this forever.
Ang luto na lang nga. Chicken ang palito. Luto na lang nga.
Ha?
See?
Chicken. Jollibee. Di mo ba ito di dahil walang picture man, no? Ah, picture mo. Oh, may da.
Ito na lang.
Tapos, hash egg. Ayan na. Bukas na lang kay Gabi. 5 hours na lang.
Guys, this is
I've never run milk out
so guys, this is what we got from SM.
there. Mm-hmm.
Bulb, batteries.
Did he give you those two? Did
Huh?
he give you those two batteries?
No,
Okay.
that's 89 pesos.
Lamp.
And then ito guys para sa patungan namin ng mga shampoo kasi wala kami doon sa ano namin sa CR namin sa shower area. Kaya ito papatungan. And then ito guys maganda. Clock. Maganda. Match siya sa ano namin sa TV wall. Kasi gold at green. Ayan. And then meron siyang ano, date and then days and then yung temperature, Celsius nakalagay. Ayan. Maganda. Ano to? 2,000 pesos.
See if I can pull it on. I don't want to break the box, but if I have to, I gotta have to. Let's see if I can.
Open up. See, open up, Uncle Tom. Open up. Open up your toys. Assemble it. Chance, anong ginagawa mo? Hi, Chance.
Which one is the bottom one, Chance? Ooh, that's got holes in it. Alright. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do here, Chance.
So guys, nakarating pala kami dito ng 5:30. Bali, 1 hour and 30 minutes ang biyahe from SMC side papunta dito sa Lapu-Lapu, Mactan. Sa Mactan, Cebu. So, 1 hour 30 minutes. Sobrang kasing traffic. Traffic?
Traffic was bad. Traffic was really, really bad. Chance, move around. Move around like that. Yeah, that's a better. Got it? Yeah, okay.
Very good.
Yeah, okay.
Very good, Chance.
Now we gotta do the last step,
Not
Chance.
yet, Chance. Not yet.
Last step is to put these in this. We'll turn this like this. Okay. Put them in the put these in the hole. Okay, good. But you can't do it like that. You can't. Well, you gotta wait. You gotta do two at the same time. There you go. Okay, that's good. Now we gotta redo this one here, buddy. No, it's all right. It's good. It's good. You got it. Just gotta fix. We gotta fix this side though. So we gotta take this out. Okay, now put this in. You put this one in, and I put this one in. You put that one in. Good. All right. Okay.
Very good. Wow. Very good,
Let
Chance.
me see. On this, we gotta do this. Make sure everything's in tight. Tight. Tires are in. Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Very good.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah. There it is.
Very good, Chance.
Mm-hmm. Little kitty's crying, isn't he? Yeah, little cat's crying.
Look at this.
Hmm?
Look at this.
Yeah, good. Show him, Chance. Show him. Put your hand up. Yay, Chance. Good. You got the video. You're on the video, Chance.
This.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this in our bathroom. And we'll put that in the box. Oh, I ain't gonna go in the box. Never mind about that. Here, I'll take it. Yeah.
Makikita ang kusina.
Mm.
Sige, sulat. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. Dito naman ang view. Nakawalan light? Dito. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3.
Kaya alam mo sa laan nasigan.
Pamama na yun. Ano? 60% naman.
60, ito ka ako.